It's a very wonderful day to some of us.
Yeah.
We have learned a lot from this forum. It is the first of its kind for us to get an organized team, the youth who are organized, people who are preparing for their future. Allow me to thank the youth chairperson, the organizer for this meeting. We have learned a lot. I signaled to my youth councillor that when we are going back, you need to call for the same meeting. We need to go and implement it in Kotido. Allow me offer my apologies for the pain that my people have been inflicted to our brothers and sisters of Agago. No one can express, and there is no way. It is really hard to hear that a brother has come and inflicted pain to his fellow brother. As the district chairman put it right, that we are permanent neighbors. We are brothers and sisters. If you look at Adilang, most of those people who are from Adilang are from Kotido. But there is nothing that will always make a person kill another for his own property. Allow me assure you that the people themselves, the GA, have gone ahead to look for those perpetrators. They are being killed. They are being lynched at home the other side because what they are doing is not is unwanted and is unacceptable. And allow me assure you that the community policing is also on. People are talking to them. As I talk, people are in the border there discussing issues of peace, asking these brothers, why do you want to spoil the relationship that we have with our brothers of acholi? Allow my brothers and sisters, allow me ask you to at least forgive us for all these things, for all these bad acts that our people have inflicted into your brothers and sisters. We are one, we are a family, and there is no way we are going to allow these things to continue happening. But the people who are in the front line of stopping these things are us, the young people. Because if we don't become go to the far front of mobilizing for peace in this country, then no one else will do it for us. It is us to unite, come together, and we preach the word of peace and unity amongst our people. Today, we have come to Agago to seek for your hand, to seek for support for our sister El Machala. She was not able to come to this gathering today because she went to the US. She is preparing for her graduation. That's why she was not able to come this side. But nevertheless, with the able leadership of these people, we were able to come to to present our message to the youth of Agago. And allow me, my brothers and sisters, to read it verbatim. Here it says, my name is El Makapel Chala. It is truly a privilege to stand before you today as an aspirant for youth member of parliament of Northern Uganda, Northern region. This gathering is critical under the theme from leaders to legacy builders. And I firmly believe that we can forge a path towards this vision by addressing two vital issues we face in our region: security, socio-economic transformation. Security as a young leader, it's essential that we acknowledge the challenges our communities have been facing, particularly in light of the recent unrest in Acholi. It breaks my heart to see the division and hardships caused by conflicts, especially stemming from the actions of certain groups like the cattle rustlers. I believe deeply in the importance of prioritizing peace, stability among us. It is crucial that we foster dialogue and understanding among all community members, working together to build bridges rather than walls. By promoting initiatives that empathize harmony, we can nurture an environment that allows every individual to grow and flourish. I know that all our regions have been affected for a long time. by instability. Now that we have peace and tranquility in the region, let's accelerate by transforming ideas into action. So, socio-economic transformation.